So welcome to this new video. Tomorrow we want to mow our second cut of grass. So even though the weather doesn't look like it tonight, hopefully tomorrow it will be better. But they say a little bit of rain every day the following day, so let's hope that's not right and we get a lot of sunshine. So tonight I want to make the mower ready for tomorrow, so change the blades I think and give it a little bit of a grease. They are in better shape. That's what I thought. Maybe I changed this one, but overall they don't look bad. Oh. So you have two types of knives because each drum rotates the other way as the other one. So you have this one and this is the opposite one. Don't know if you can see the difference, but so you can, I think. That one there, that one there, and we take this with us for when we have an accident in the field. So give it a grease and done already. So ready for tomorrow. So last night we had 17 millimeters of rain. It is too much, but next week the weather isn't great also. and the contractor was is already booked and is booked full on Monday, so we will mow today. We have a few wet areas in some fields. It's now, I think, 8:30, so most water is hopefully drowned away a little bit. They say a slight chance of rain today, but we will see. Here we go. This field we mowed, this is the first field we mowed this spring, and now we want to mow everything in one time, in one go, so there's a lot of grass on this field. For the quality it's not the best, but when we mix it with the rest it will be okay. First and highest field done. Now we go to a wetter field. Better, not wetter, better. A field that's more wet. But first, I drink a cup of coffee, I think. And then we continue. Let's see how it goes. So everything is going very well. Nice weather, nice grass. That field already done. Now on this one there are a few wet areas, but it's not too bad, and with this weather no problem at all. So when this done we continue by our farm.
Voor de komende paar jaar. En die komen ook met een middellange termijnplan. Hoe we nou sneller over kunnen schakelen naar zon, wind, kernenergie, naar groene waterstof. Ja, want het duurt allemaal veel te lang. We kunnen natuurlijk ook nog 2 jaar in. In plaats van 7, 8 jaar. We zitten in de vergunningen procedures. Er zitten heel veel in de weg van de kleine. Dus zelfs bij zo'n
At the next few fields, also nice grass. So over here we have 11 hectares to mow. So I think I put you on time lapse. So I'm filming with my phone because the GoPro battery is dead. But Something is missing here. Got a new one, so let's put it on. Brother-in-law is mowing in the meantime. Beautiful evening. All the grass was cut today. Almost everything tedded. So just 2.5 hectares to go. So hopefully tomorrow will be a day like today, and then it will be perfect. But if it's raining tomorrow, I'm not going to be happy.